What's up? Today we're doing a iPhone 7 Plus white screen. You know the drill. Dave with Saylor Innovations. First you gotta heat it up. These open much different than the 6s and the 5s and all its predecessors. So you heat it up real good. That's the first thing. Make sure to take out the set screws, which I just did, and then start going around always at the bottom, because around the home button, because you know it's just the way it is. Start cutting the adhesive with your pry tool. Now these are going to open much different than all the ones before it, because I don't know, Apple's design team is just, I guess they're dead set on being different always. Personally, I hate it, and a lot of other people hate it, but you know, I don't find it as innovative as the other ones, but it is different. I'll give them that. So now I've cut the adhesive. You're going to notice it's much easier now that the heat has been applied. You just want to, same drill, go around slightly twisting as you enter it at the bottom, but you don't, it doesn't open bottom to top as before. It opens like a book, left to right. So and again, you don't want to overdo the 90-degree open angle, because it will mess up on you. And you also have the two clips up here at the top in which you have to wiggle out. Look, a good little tip I like to remind everybody to do is cut the adhesive right here. You can kind of push the clips out from under with your pry tool, and it kind of helps to, see there, it releases it easily. With a broken screen, it's not exactly the easiest thing to pop open unless you do it this way. So, and I like to keep something behind. That way I can remind myself to, I can use it as like a prop. And there it is. But here you're going to need the tri-wing screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. For security reasons, I guess they switched it up and only, you know, an actual technician can get in here, take out the screws. They were having trouble with it, I guess. You know, anybody who watches a YouTube video apparently can open these, but I've seen the quality of the YouTube videos, hence why I'm doing my own. And that is the goal, is after watching this video you will be able to get in and do your own repairs, if taking it very slowly. You gotta remember to take your time. You'll notice, as always, I'm removing the battery terminal shield here. It has the tri-wing screws. And there, it's exposed. Remove the battery terminal cable first, disassembling the battery from the logic board, and thereby decreasing your chance of shorting out the phone. Again, wearing the electrostatic armband or wrist strap. And now, since I've removed that shield, we're going to move on to the screen ribbon cable shield. Again, tri-wing screws. How you doing today?
Anything I can help you with?
Now you can remove the screen. Switch to Phillips.